How to log in to GoCrypto account. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily get access to your existing GoCrypto account. So here's how you can do it. First of all, launch the GoCrypto app open on your device, whichever device you are using. Then from the welcome screen, you'll be able to see the $5,000 capital, which is a virtual money. Click on continue to accept it. Now, on the next page where it says lobby, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top left corner and click on the sign in button on the right. Inside the sign in page, go ahead and select whether you'd like to sign in with your Google account or with email. Since I've used email previously, I'm going to choose continue with email. If you've chosen the Google option previously, choose the same here. After clicking on continue with email, you'll be taken to this login page where you'll need to enter your email address and the correct password. If you don't remember the password, you can get help by clicking the forgot password link on the right corner. But if you remember your credentials, write it down correctly. Start off with email and then the password on the next field. Finally, click sign in and you have successfully logged in to your GoCrypto account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.